Even though Ethereum is still comfortably ranked as the second largest cryptocurrency by market capitalization, 2024 has been a disappointing year for Ethereum bulls if we compare Ether's performance with other leading coins. With Bitcoin getting extremely close to the $100,000 mark and many altcoins displaying powerful rallies, it's only natural to be curious about how high Ether could go in the current crypto bull run. In this video, we'll examine the Ether markets to see what kind of price targets we can expect in the remainder of 2024 as well as 2025. Since the start of 2024, Ether is up more than 55%, which is certainly an impressive result in isolation. When we compare it to the performance of other cryptocurrencies in the same time period, however, we can quickly see why many Ether holders are frustrated. Crypto market leader Bitcoin is up 126% in the same time period, while smart contracts competitor Solana is up 130%. XRP gained 158%, and Dogecoin is up by a truly impressive 348% in 2024. As Bitcoin set new all-time highs, Ether is still about 27% removed from the historical peak it reached in November 2021. However, it's difficult to imagine a scenario where Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies continue to rally while Ether doesn't set new record highs. In order to improve its all-time high, Ether would have to reach a price of roughly $4,860. Over the long term, Ether has been trading within an ascending wedge formation, which is characterized by a series of higher lows and lower highs. At the time of making this video, Ether is trading close to the upper line of the wedge formation, which is currently located at around $3,800. This price level is likely to act as resistance, and it will be crucial for Ether to break above it comfortably if we are going to see further bullish price action. With the price range narrowing, we can expect the Ether price to break out from this formation relatively soon. Unfortunately for Ether bulls, the rising wedge is typically analyzed as a bearish chart pattern, although there's certainly a chance it could break out to the upside as well. If we take a look at the daily chart, Ethereum saw a death cross in August, when the 50-day simple moving average crossed below the 200-day simple moving average. However, the two moving averages are now converging, and we could see a golden cross soon. This would bode well for Ethereum's short to mid-term price action. If the crypto bull run continues, Ethereum's all-time high of $4,860 is certainly in play. To find even higher price targets, we can first consider how Bitcoin improved on its previous all-time highs in this bull run. The previous Bitcoin all-time high was reached at $72,600 in March of 2024. The current all-time high is at $99,570, and the increase between the two peaks is 37%. If Ethereum reached a new all-time high and then improved upon it by 37%, it would peak at around $6,660. Now, let's also take a look at the algorithmic Ether price prediction on CoinCodex. Based on this forecast, Ethereum's peak in this bull run could come in November of 2025 at a price of around $7,200. Please keep in mind that these price predictions only take into account price history and current market conditions, and don't take into account fundamentals or news events. As far as bullish catalysts for Ether are concerned, institutional investors now have easy access to Ether as an investment thanks to the spot ETFs that were approved in the United States in July this year. Although inflows have been relatively modest so far, the fact that these investment vehicles are available is certainly a positive sign. On top of that, Ethereum's developer ecosystem is still the strongest in the entire crypto industry, as the Ethereum virtual machine continues to be the dominant framework for developing decentralized applications. Solana, a blockchain that supports smart contracts but has much lower fees than Ethereum, has been making a major push in 2024 and eating into Ethereum's market share. However, thanks to the continued advancements in Ethereum Layer 2s, the Ethereum ecosystem will likely be able to narrow the gap with Solana on the efficiency front. Platforms such as Arbitrum, Base and Optimism now allow users to make cheap transactions while still benefiting from the security of the Ethereum mainnet. Do you think that Ethereum is about to make up for its underperformance in 2024 so far, or are you betting on other cryptocurrencies instead?